Hey everyone, this is Or from Wicked Cushions, and if you got to this video, you probably already know about our Arctis Nova earpads and our new silicone headbands. But what you probably don't know is about our new matching Arctis Nova side plates. In the video today, I'm going to show you how to install them and how they look like. So let's start the video. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. As you can see, I have the Arctis Nova Pro Wireless right here with the 90s white headband. And I'm going to put our 90s white magnet plate. It's really easy to remove. You have a little latch right here at the bottom of the magnet. Just gonna pull it out like this. And from the other side as well. And very easy. These two magnets right here, they go on these two sides. That's it. And again, these two magnets on the side, and that is it. Looks pretty cool. And just to show you that it also fits the Arctis Nova 7 and basically any other Arctis Nova headset that has those magnet plates on the side. So this is only for the Arctis Novas, by the way. It's not going to be for any other Arctis headset. And that is it. If you want to try them out, simply click at the link at the top right corner right now or in the description below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.